Hello and welcome back to HowToBloke. Today we're going to make some sauce to go with the barbecue that we're having. Barbecue sauce, yeah, you can call it that. It's just sauce. You can follow the recipe and see how you get on with it. Or you can buy it from the store, it's up to you. But we make our own here, it's more fun. So, what is this? This is sauce, barbecue sauce, you can call it that. So let's have a little look at this. This is soft brown sugar. You need some of this for sweetness. Now, how much do you put in? About that much. This is garlic powder. How much do you put in? Oh, about that much. See? How easy is it? Now, going back to quantities, if I'm measuring a quantity out, it means you must do too. So, this is smoked paprika. It says so on the lid. You can buy this in a deli or maybe down here at a supermarket, I don't know. It's smoked, it's strong, so don't put too much in because it will ruin it if you do. This is how much you put in. Look, see? That's a third or a half, no, not half, third of a teaspoon. Okay, you can put more in, but you know, just go easy, go easy. You can always add, you can't take it out. Worcestershire sauce. Okay. You need a couple of these, like this. Look, wallop. Wallop. You can put it in, but let's have a little taste before we start. HP sauce. No, it doesn't have to be HP sauce. This is brown sauce. What am I talking about? There's lots of other makers of this sauce. How much again? I would say, I don't know, about that much. One of those, another one of those, like that. Okay, so that's the not HP. I mustn't keep saying that. Brown sauce. Yeah, fruity one's even better in that if you can get the fruity version of that. Ooh, I haven't got any. Can't get it. Mustard. Dijon mustard. Don't use the one that blows your head off. Just the ordinary one. Don't use that really strong mustard, but that's yellow. You can, but well, you go easy. How much? That. That's what you need. Right. Now ketchup. What I normally do is undo the lid for this because otherwise you'd be there all day. So good glug of that. So what we do is we mix it up like this. Chuck that away, mix it up until it looks a bit like that. Look at that there, see? Now we've got to do the testing. Now, what you should do, what you shouldn't do is stick your finger in there, keep doing that all the time because, you know, it's not done. You don't stick your fingers in the and then say, oh, would you like some more? Would you like some sauce? Now I've stuck all my fingers in. No, you don't do that. So what you do is you get yourself a little squadron, I call them, a squadron of teaspoons, like that. So these are testing, spoons for testing. So, we're going now, we'll go. Right, camera to me. Do you know, that is pretty much perfect. Yeah, I'm going to add some bit more. That's a bit more tomato. No, it needs sugar. That's what it needs. It needs sugar. It's a bit tart. I couldn't quite get the flavour there. It's a bit tart. A little bit more sugar like that. The brown's just soft brown sugar. You can use the other sugar, you know, but if it's granular, it will start crunching in the thing. It's not a good sensation in the mouth. So try and use soft brown sugar because the brown sugar's got a different taste as well. So barbecue sauce should be tangy and sweet, in my opinion. There shouldn't be any tartness about it or sourness about it at all. And you shouldn't be able to take this smoked paprika too much either. I don't like that. Ready? Here we go again. I'll get my camera person to try it. I'll offer her a spoon. Don't go away. She's a critique, so we just try this. What do you think it needs?
I think it needs more garlic.